off of it, like a translucent plastic or something.
Some light gets through what?
A little bit light gets through, but enough doesn't.
You mean to
that we
replace
can-
the white sheet?
Yeah, the white
That's
sheet, because you
cool.
can see the shadow of the white sheet sort of blocking
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
Oh yeah. I see
because
what
the
you're saying.
paper blocks. the
But what
light,
if
yeah.
we do this just like that?
Double-sided, you're still gonna block.
There's
If
still
it's very translucent, yeah, I guess, yeah.
So what is that?
That's so cool.
Like a what is it?
That's
It's
the hot air rising
Oh.
from the candle.
Right
Oh,
there, right
okay.
there.
Wait.
Right there.
Oh,
It's upside down.
yeah, that's right. Yeah, okay.
Here we go.
Initially,
Am I on there?
Oh my God.
I'm on the wrong
turbulent,
side.
right? Yeah, okay.
How's that? Oh, you can see it. Oh,
Yes,
wiggle a little
yes.
bit.
Go super.
You can close it
Oh, here we go.
and see
Yep.
clearly.
Here we go.
Yep.
Yeah,
That's
so
it.
cool.
Mhm.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Try this.
It's interesting how just the parabolic mirror will show you that.
Replace the white sheet with this. See
All
what-
right, let's see what goes on here.
I don't know if it. is it
That's too
reflecting?
transparent, probably.
Yeah.
Just a little too transparent, yeah.
That
I
works.
don't know.
Interesting.
Because you're right, the
Yeah.
change is blocking the source, right?
Just enough.
We're to avoid blocking the source.
I mean, the white paper really is just doing it great.
I
Look,
think it was.
look.
Is there two candles? Almost looks
No,
like there's
it's
two
because the mirror
It's
sucks.
come to.
Did you try the butane lighter? No, no weird, nothing.
There was just
The letters.
two
here we go.
streams.
Yep, there you go. You can see the stream right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Ooh.
It's just because the reflection of the mirror.
I think the mirror sucks.
Good enough to do this.
Yeah,
Right.
that's pretty